Good morning, beautiful souls. It's Tim Wild. It's Meditation Monday, and I'm not in my usual spot this morning in the woods. I am here by the sea. Now, it's a gorgeous morning, a bit on the fresh side, but as expected for the time of year. But the energy is so peaceful and so beautiful here. And upon my arrival to my vacation destination, I've been very guided to begin the process or start looking into clearing the waters. That's the message that came through, and it was printed on the side of a big caravan, clear water. And of course we all must have heard in some way or another what's going on around the world, particularly in the United States, with the environmental situation in the top of Ohio by the waterways. The guidance is to start clearing the water, using our intention, using our love, calling in the archangels, calling in the dragons, the unicorns, and actually maybe even taking some physical action ourselves if we're able to do so. So this morning, just as you can probably hear in the background, the sound of the sea, just begin to breathe into your heart like we normally do. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Activate your heart center. Breathe out. And just keep doing this. If you're not used to doing this, you're placing your hand upon your heart, focusing upon your heart center. Take a deep breath in, activating the field of light within the center of your fifth dimensional heart chakra, and just allowing it to begin to expand. And it will very rapidly form a beautiful sphere of gold, white and pink light around you. Might take a few breaths to get it going if it's a bit sleepy, hasn't done it for a little while. But for those of you that are working with your heart on a regular basis, it's like doing sport or going to the gym or anything like that. The more you work it, the faster and more meticulously it operates. So just breathe into your heart center now until you are surrounded in a beautiful ball of light. And within that ball of light, connectivity to the higher realms becomes very easy. It becomes second nature. And this morning I would like to call upon the Archangel of the seas and the oceans and the rivers, Archangel Joules. I'd also like to invoke the presence of Ascended Master Poseidon, and also the presence of the water dragons and the air dragons and the earth dragons, all of those working with these elements, just calling them in now. And with your eyes closed, resting in your sphere of heart light, be aware of the beautiful green and blue presence of Archangel Joules, the powerful and the commanding presence of Ascended Master Poseidon, known also as the God of the Seas. And then just also tune into the swirling, beautiful energies of the green, white and gold water dragons just beginning to swirl and spiral around you. Just breathe and relax. You might want to ask them or invite them to clear anything within your bodies and fields that is bogging you down or impeding you at the moment. You might be feeling like you are a little bit on edge with the nervous system, with what's going on with the quantity of light that's coming in. Just allow the dragons to move through your physical, mental, emotional and your spiritual fields and calm everything down. Just literally feel a wave of calm and peace flowing through you. And breathe in time to the sound of the sea. And the incredible presence of Ascended Master Poseidon as he stands before you. Now Poseidon is asking for assistance. The waters of this planet are feeling as if they are being deliberately intoxicated, having poisons placed within them. And we're being asked to use our intention and our love and our unity and our focus to counteract this with waves of light and love. Now, one way of doing this would be to get a stone or a rock or a crystal, if you're prepared to part with one of your precious crystals, and hold it now to your heart. And as you're doing this, as you're holding it, and it could be a stone from anywhere, just begin to place your intention and your love to clear the waters of this planet within this stone or the crystal. You are asking from a place of love from the centre of your heart for huge waves of golden and white and pink clearing light to be sent through every molecule of water on the planet, to be blessed at the highest frequency. And after the dragons have finished working with your bodies in your fields, you'll see them moving away and beginning to bless the waters, beginning to clear it, telling their friends, the elementals, the dolphins, the whales, and all of the other creatures of the ocean, all beginning to light up with the united mission to begin the clearing process. And meanwhile, with your crystal or your stone over your heart, begin to bless it with your own words. Now you can either just simply ask Archangel Joules and Ascended Master Poseidon to bless your crystal with the highest light and the love. But ask the dragons and the elementals and the unicorns to also send their blessings into your crystal or your stone. And just begin with your eyes closed to see it glowing with the brightest light. And as you breathe and relax, more and more love, more intention, and more positivity is flowing into your programmable rock or your crystal. And then, when you have the opportunity, you might be away from water, find a river or a pond, or if you're lucky enough to be by the sea, place your crystal or your rock programmed with your intention into the waters and set it with the intention of clearing. Now all of the crystals that are programmed to do this will unite their energies with the other crystals, and all of the souls that are pouring their vibration into the waters of the planet, and it becomes a rolling ball process. So just take a few more moments to bless your crystal or your rock, and then whenever you have the time, or whenever you have the space, or whenever you are near a body of water, place the rock within the waters with your highest blessings, but with love from the centre of your heart. And Poseidon is saying that this is actually going to be a wave of unified intuition that is going out to light workers and healers around the planet. You might have already seen people that are feeling this way inclined, that have received the prompts from the heavens to begin the clearing process, who are responding to the news or responding to what you can see happening in the immediate vicinity. Share your personal way of doing it. Share any information that you see as to clearing, and set this as a wave to go around the planet. The waters need our help. And just take a few more moments to allow your bodies and fields to relax and be completely cleared. And when you are ready, open your eyes and just take a few moments to thank Archangel Joules, Ascended Master Poseidon, the water dragons, all of the elementals, the unicorns, and any of the other souls that have joined you this morning. But most of all, thank the waters for their service. Bless them with your highest love. And when you have the chance, place your blessed rock or your crystal within the body of water that you can. It doesn't have to be today, it can be any time that you can do it. Okay? So, that's it from me this morning. I'm going to be joining my wonderful friend David Essery tonight for Reflections on Self-Love. It's going to be a powerful workshop. We're going to be working with self-love, and that is one of the ultimate tests of the ascension pathway. It all comes down to loving the self, how we love ourselves and how that is presented to others, and how it then shines out and affects everybody in our fields, and the boundaries that we set within that. So if you're joining us tonight, really looking forward to seeing you there. But if not, I'll see you on Friday for an Ascension update. Love you all lots. See you soon. Bye for now.